For the repair of STN Atlas electronic PCBs, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we used 24-volt DC power supply, some LED as outputs, and 3 switches. When we turn on the power supply, the units react accordingly, and we can see that by manipulating the switches, the LEDs lighting up or turning off. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that PCBs are working successfully and they are ready to be delivered to the customer.